Water is a very important element in the proper functioning of the human body. But before you make a habit of drinking a glass of water on an empty stomach, you still need to check all its pros and cons. Benefits of a glass of water. The famous Japanese long livers pass on the secret of their longevity from generation to generation. They start every day with a glass of clean water. Numerous studies have confirmed that this simple method not only strengthens the body but also has a complex therapeutic and prophylactic effect. Natural cleaning of all the systems of the body. There are many factors like bad environment, fast food addiction, and sedentary lifestyle that contribute to the accumulation of toxins in the body, which reduces its resources and affects the health negatively. Drinking water in the morning activates the processes of cleansing that start during sleep. Water does not only remove toxins from the body but also rejuvenates the face and improves the condition of hair and skin. Acceleration of metabolism. Metabolism is one of the most important processes in the body. A glass of water on an empty stomach in the morning activates the metabolism. It takes only half an hour for the metabolic rate to increase by 20 to 30%, improving the work of the gastrointestinal tract. Drinking water in the morning accelerates the formation of gastric enzymes and normalizes the digestion processes, which eliminates the sense of heaviness caused by an abundant dinner the day before. Also, water lowers the acidity in different parts of the stomach. Therefore, people suffering from gastritis or ulcers should regularly drink a glass of water right after waking up in order to prevent colic and reduce the feeling of burning. Elimination of pain. This amazing liquid can also stop spasmodic pains like headaches, menstrual, and joint pain. Drinking warm water on an empty stomach in the morning provides great antispasmodic effect and so eliminates discomfort in any part of the body. Weight loss. Active cleansing of the body, which starts after drinking water, does not only remove toxins but also accelerates the weight loss. Of course, drinking water itself is not enough to stay in good shape. The normalization of body weight is a complex process, which along with cleansing should include exercises and diet, improving health and bringing vigor. Drinking water in the morning is a very good habit, as it activates the circulatory, lymphatic, and genitourinary systems. It also has a strengthening effect on the immune system and increases the body's resistance to various infectious diseases. In addition, drinking water in the morning accelerates regeneration of cells on many levels, so it improves the condition of skin, helps overcome drowsiness, and just puts you in a good mood. Should water be warm or cool? According to some folk diets, the water for drinking on an empty stomach in the morning must be hot. According to another opinion, you should drink cold water and only in small sips. To find a middle ground, you need to listen to your body and to understand the expected effect clearly. Cool water, 15 to 20 degrees centigrade, will cheer you up and help you wake up faster. The water of this temperature is a kind of irritant for the stomach mucosa. The body will begin to generate energy for warming, and as a result, it will instantly eliminate the sense of drowsiness. Some people believe that it prolongs the lifetime. To activate the digestion and improve the work of the digestive tract in general, you should drink water of room temperature, 20 to 27 degrees. Warm and hot water, 27 to 40 degrees, helps save youth and beauty. Water of this temperature washes out the digestive waste and mucus that form on the walls of the stomach during the night, as well as starts metabolism and saturates the cells of the body with oxygen. Don't drink boiling water, even in small sips. This can cause terrible harm to the body, from burns of the throat and esophagus to some forms of cancer. After drinking a glass of water in the morning, always have a breakfast. If you don't, it may cause negative consequences. The empty stomach begins to digest itself, which can cause gastritis. And the next time you will have a meal, you'll need more food to satisfy the appetite. It will cause heaviness in the stomach, malfunction of the digestive tract, and so, sooner or later, lead to weight gain. How to drink the water right? While getting benefits from your morning drink is quite simple. Drink the water right after waking up. 30 to 40 minutes should pass between drinking water and breakfast. Don't replace the water with tea, milk, juice, or other drink, since it won't have the healing effect. Don't use boiled water, but only purified, filtered, or mineral non-carbonated water with a slight salty taste. It's better not to boil water because it reduces its beneficial properties. The best option is to melt water from a natural spring. Of course, finding it is not that easy, so you can make something like this at home by placing a glass of purified water into the freezer. After the water turns into ice, its structure will change. During this process, the negative substances are destroyed, and after melting, the water retains its original structural and energetic state. It takes time to make it, but you should be patient and carry out the full course of wellness procedures. The duration and effectiveness of the treatment depends on the disease and the regularity. For example, to get rid of constipation, gastritis, and improve the digestion process, 10 to 15 days will be enough. Cleansing of the body and eliminating dehydration will take 2 to 3 weeks. People with diabetes will need at least a month to improve the general condition. Blood pressure normalizes after 30 to 40 days of drinking water before breakfast. 3 months of therapy will improve the condition in case of tuberculosis. When starting the course of procedures, it's better to give up coffee, as it has a diuretic effect and accelerates the loss of fluid in the body. Pay attention to your current state, and if you feel even a slight health deterioration, stop drinking water in the morning. For people suffering from cancer or joint visceral forms of arthritis, it's better to consult a doctor before starting this drinking therapy. Recipes for health and beauty. Despite the fact that water has no taste and odor, it may be quite difficult to make yourself drink even half a glass. In this case, you can use additional ingredients that will not only turn your morning drink into some kind of cocktail, but will also enhance the positive effect of water for the body. Lemon. Any citrus fruit is a real storehouse of vitamins and minerals, so a few slices of lemon squeezed into a glass of water will provide the body with a daily norm of nutrients. Lemon water not only fills the body with vigor and brings positive mood, but also stimulates the brain, improving mental performance. Also, it activates the work of the digestive tract, helps to get rid of cholesterol plaques and free radicals, normalizes the functioning of the circulatory system, and stabilizes blood pressure. The high content of acids in lemon may harm the tooth enamel, so it's better to drink water with lemon through a straw. Brush your teeth and rinse your mouth each time you drink it. Honey. Just add 1 tablespoon of honey and the healing drink is ready. It protects the body from harmful bacteria and viruses, cleanses the liver and kidneys, and improves the functioning of the genitourinary system. For people who work in constant psychological stress, a glass of water with honey in the morning will help relieve anxiety and calm the nervous system, as well as give a boost of vigor. You can add both honey and lemon to the water if you want. The combination of these ingredients will help clear the lymph flow and normalize the blood sugar level. However, allergy sufferers should use this drink with caution. Olive oil. Olive oil also has healing properties. A glass of water with 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in the morning on an empty stomach will clean the liver and intestines, reduce cholesterol level, and also make the walls of blood vessels more elastic. This drink is especially beneficial for old people, since it improves the condition of cerebral vessels and promotes fast recovery after a stroke. Baking soda. Just take some soda on the pointy edge of a knife. It will be enough to make the drink. It cleanses the intestines, restores the stomach microflora, and destroys kidney stones. Also, it relieves heartburn and prevents dehydration in case of poisoning. Turmeric. The unusual taste of this Indian spice is known well to Oriental cuisine fans, but not so many people know that turmeric is widely used in traditional folk medicine. Due to the presence of polyphenol curcumin, which is a powerful antioxidant, the spice has anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, and immunity-stimulating effects on the body. Drinking a glass of warm water with half a teaspoon of turmeric in the morning on an empty stomach always brings vigor and good mood. Turmeric water reduces appetite, improves metabolism, and purifies the blood, so it's very helpful for weight loss. Large amounts of curcumin have properties similar to diclofenac, so the morning drink with turmeric powder will be a good analgesic for those people who have joint pain. It eliminates pain and reduces the risk of arthritis and other inflammatory diseases of the joints. Everyone chooses the additional components for the water according to personal preferences. Meanwhile, the dietitians advise not to add anything at all, but just to drink a glass of clean, purified water every morning. Of course, from time to time you may add something special to your morning water, but usually it should be free of impurities. Possible harms of water before breakfast. The need for water is individual for everyone. It depends on the age, lifestyle, daily diet, and the condition of the body. However, regardless of these factors, a glass of water before breakfast in the morning won't hurt anyone. But you still need to be careful in some cases. If you suffer from edema, heart diseases, or hypertension, you should consult a specialist before making the habit of drinking water in the morning. People with allergies are not recommended to drink water with lemon and honey, as there is a risk of increased stomach acidity, gastritis, and ulcerative disease. For people suffering from cholelithiasis, it's better not to drink water in the morning, since water may cause an attack, provoking the movement of stones in the bile ducts. Also remember that only water provides the improvement of the general condition of the body. Juices, herbal drinks, and even green tea, that some people call the drink of long life, will not have the necessary effect, because each of these drinks has its own properties. Therefore, it's better to choose clean water and turn this habit into a family tradition that will make you forget about health problems. That's all we wanted to tell you today. On this channel, you will find videos about the benefits of vegetables and fruits, about various diseases and ways of treating them, as well as everything about housekeeping and gardening, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell. Like the video if you enjoy it and share it with your family and friends. See you soon!